Hey friends, let's jump straight into this mighty song, and with this lesson we'll do all the guitar parts, so let's go through the intro. So I won't play the intro, it's just one chord, it's this D minor 11, so you're going to have 5th fret on the A, 3rd fret on the D, 5 on the G, 6 on the B and 3 on the E, and we're just strumming it. And we're holding for 4 bars, and we do that 4 times. And that's our intro there. So for our chorus, guitar 1 is still playing the intro, so we just keep playing that D minor 11 chord, hold for 4 bars, and we do that 4 times. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So for guitar 2, our first chord is the 5 on the G, 6 on the B, 3 on the E, and we're doing an upstroke 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Now the second chord he's going to is a G minor 7 chord. Because he's doing an upstroke and only playing the bottom 3 strings, we can just play 10 on the E, 11 on the B and 10 onto the G. So it's a D-shaped chord, and we do that 2 times. Then the next chord he's going to is an A minor 7, but again he's only playing the bottom 3 strings, so we can do that D shape again, 12 on the E, 13 on the B, 12 on the G, and 2 times there. And we're going to play that through 4 times. 4 times there, and that's our first chorus. Then we have our post-chorus, and we're just going back to the intro with guitar 1 again on our D minor 11. And here just do it 2 times. So our second chorus is slightly different. We're still playing the D minor 11 on our guitar 1. We do that 4 times. Guitar 2 is going to start exactly the same with our upbeat. Up to the G minor 7 2 times, A minor 7 2 times. Do that through 4 times, then the last one through we just do a mute, and then back to our first chord 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So we play that once for you there. And that's our second chorus there. So for guitar 1, we're just playing a B flat bar chord and strum from the A string down. Then we're going to this C-shaped F chord. You've got to play 8 on the A, 7 on the D, 5 on the G, 6 on the B and 5 on the E, and again from the A string down. Then to a C bar chord from the A string down again. Then we're going to a G minor bar chord. You've got to play 5 on the D, 7 on the G, 8 on the B and 5 on the E. Do that 3 times, and then the 4th time we just play the B flat, the F to the C. And that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So for guitar 2, we're playing the same chords as guitar 1, the B flat, but again just doing upstrokes, so 7G, 6B and E 2 times. To the F, but this time 5G, 6B, 5E 2 times. To the C, which would be 9G, 8B and E 2 times. Back to the G minor, we have 7 on the G, 8B, 6E 2 times. And we play that through 3 times, and then to finish off we just go B flat 2 times, back to the F 2 times, up to the C and do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And that's our bridge there. So they're all our parts there. From there, just go back to the post-chorus again, back to the second chorus, to the bridge again, then we go to the intro, then just go back to the first chorus and keep repeating that till the end. And they're all the parts there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Walking on the Moon Guitar Lesson by the Police. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, pop, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.